friends! You found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The algorithm loves that, and then more people will see my videos. Today, I've put together a vocal warm-up that places extra attention on smooth singing and accurate intervals. We want to do vocal exercises and drills that allow us to navigate intervals that we find in songs with ease. Doing these exercises, aside from when we're practicing songs or arrangements, will help us to develop a broad skill set that we can call on whenever we need it. Now, go ahead and check in with your body to make sure you're aligned. Take a few low, relaxed breaths and release any tension that you don't need. Let's begin with a glide on a lip trill. This will bring us through intervals of a fourth followed by a fifth. It sounds like this. Now let's sing on a ZOE, like ZOE. We're singing smaller intervals of half steps and whole steps, then finishing it up with a fifth. Make sure to keep your breath steady. Here we go. Sing a mixed interval exercise on money, money, mo, like money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 This exercise outlines a major arpeggio triad followed by a fifth. We'll sing mea, 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 mea. 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 As we move through this next exercise, aim for a smooth flow, more like going up and down a hill than going up and down a staircase. We can sing Z-O-E-O-E-O-E-O-E. Here we go. Z-O-E-O-E-O-E-O-E. 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 And let's sigh down. As we move now down and up through a pentascale, followed by a descending major triad, allow the sound to cascade down with attention to a smooth and relaxed breath. We will sing vedo, 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 on some intervals within a fifth now. We can sing 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Let's stay with these numbers to reinforce where we are in the key. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Great job. This next exercise is a little bit more challenging. We will now use the scale degrees 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1. But let's sing them on neo. Use your imagination to think about the note you're about to sing before you sing it. It sounds like this. Neo, neo, neo. Here we go. Neo, neo, neo. Let's finish up now with a standard 1-octave arpeggio, thinking of smooth airflow and therefore smooth sound. We will sing on li-a, like this. Li-a, here we go. Li-a. so much for singing with me. I really appreciate you. Keep at it, and I will see you next time. Let's work on some intervals within a fifth now.